Welcome to my YouTube channel, Sarah's View. Today we're gonna see how do rattlesnakes make a rattling sound. Come, let's learn together. Rattlesnakes use their rattles to scare their enemies. The snakes have a poisonous bite. They can use their poison to kill small animals to eat. But they make a rattling sound to scare away humans and other large animals. The snakes are afraid they might be hurt or killed themselves. Now let's see how they make their tails rattle. The rattle on the end of the rattlesnake's tail is made of skin. Like all snakes, rattlesnakes shed their skin as they grow. This is called molting. When the rattlesnake molts, the old skin that remains becomes a rattle. When the snake shakes its tail, the dry skin makes a sound very much like a baby rattle. When a rattlesnake is hatched, it hasn't molted, so it has no rattles at all. You can tell the age of a rattlesnake by the number of rattles, one for each time it has molted. Doesn't the sound of the rattle warn the rattlesnake's prey? Come, let's see. When rattlesnakes hunt, they don't make any noise. They approach their prey very quietly. To do this, they keep their tails lifted up and off the ground to make sure they don't make any noise with their rattles. Thank you. See you in the next video with some good facts. Bye.